Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. Joseph James, SchoolOfTrade.com. It's June 4th, 2010. Finally Friday here, guys. Of course, you can see I'm still broadcasting live from a little town called Punta Minta, just north of Puerto Vallarta here in Mexico. Not too far away if you guys are on the west coast of the U.S., or I'm sure you can find an easy plane flight anywhere to get there. If you want more information about where I am right now, guys, just email me. And of course, I also wanted to show you guys more of our mobile setup here. Now, of course, if you guys have been with me here all week, you've been with us as we've been trading on our mobile computer. So let me give you guys a little bit more of a understanding of what I'm using right now. Okay, this is my, as you can see, my desk here. Okay, so I'm on my desk right here. And what you're seeing is I've got two monitors, right? Here's one 19-inch. Here's another 19-inch right here. Okay, now this monitor, okay, is just sitting here, right, on top of my computer. Okay, so it's not fixed to it. It's just kind of sitting here on top. I use it as a stand. And you can see what will happen is, watch, I'll take the monitor off, put that over here. Okay, now you can see, right, it's just I can stand up and see I can actually lift it. See that? It's completely mobile. All right, and if you look at it from the side, you can see all the stuff inside of it. I know it's a little bit tough to see for you guys there. All right, but that's what I'm using right now, right, for my trading. All right, it's our mobile computer, and again, you can see there's all the parts inside of it for you. A little bit tough to see, but all the goodies are right inside there. And so, of course, you can see right through it. So airport security didn't have any problem with that. And it has a nice big handle on it, right, so I can grab it and I can bring it with me to the airport. Okay, pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Let's put this back on top here now. Okay, so there's my monitor. Right, there's my monitor right there. So put the monitor up top there. That way it's right here at eye level for me. Okay, so a little bit of an idea there for you guys as far as what we're looking at here for our mobile computer. And of course, I've got to keep my back to this beautiful Pacific Ocean here because I won't get any work done. All right, so that's what I'm trading on right now, guys. To give you guys a little more information about the tools I'm using here to be able to trade remotely. Part of being a day trader is I want to be able to experience everything in life with all the freedom that I want. And having this mobile computer has really made it a great opportunity for me because, of course, our patterns work every day. Our trading does great, but I want to be able to travel. And to travel, I need something to bring with me. And a laptop wouldn't do the trick. Okay, so a mobile computer I'm using right now. Enough about that, though. I want to remind you guys, though, on our blog right now, we post every evening, right, a bunch of trade calls every evening. Last night's trade call, guys. Did you see the trade call last night? 150 take winner on gold. Did you see it? Did you take it with us, guys? If you didn't, make sure you're following our blog. There's a link right below the video right now that will take you right to our blog. Our blog, please subscribe to our blog. That way you have all the new stuff that hits it. And don't forget, at about 9 o'clock Eastern time every night, I'm going to be reviewing all the markets I'm watching for overnight trades, right? Or for, of course, the 3 a.m. open trades. Everything happening in the evening, I'm going to put it on our blog. So make sure you guys check it out. And last night, we had a nice big winner on gold. And I'm going to review that again for you guys tonight on tonight's blog. Okay, so we'll talk about the trades we took over the blog on tonight's blog post. Now for today, though, okay, let's talk about the trades we took today. What was the most important thing that happened today? Well, of course, today was a Friday. And a Friday is always expected to be a short day. Okay, the same reason why you and I want to get out of here, okay, the reason why I want to go out to the beach, the reason why you want to get out behind your desk and have some fun is the same reason why all the big money managers want to get out behind their desks as well. So Friday, we expect Friday to be a little bit of an early close. We had non-farm payrolls at 8:30 this morning, which gave us some good volume to work with today. Obama kept hogging the spotlight on the oil spill, right? He kept coming back in front of the video cameras this morning, kind of stealing away from the market center this morning. But we kept it simple, and we followed our rules. We were talking about that today in the room today, about how effective it's been by just keeping it simple. Because, you know, on Monday, I'm going to come back, and, of course, we'll be back in the normal trading environment on Monday. And I'll be back to my 4 monitors, you know, my 30 inches, right, these huge displays, where I will have everything at my fingertips. But you can see how successful we were this week. Right? We had a huge week this week. Right? $500 on Wednesday, $1,000 yesterday on Thursday, and today we'll show you guys over $1,800 on only 5 trades, all from just simply keeping it simple. So guys, you don't need to have a big exotic setup. you don't need to have a lightning fast internet connection. Okay, I'm working right now on a 10 megabyte per second download speed. Okay, that is faster than a snail going uphill. Okay, so it's a very slow connection. As you can see, I'm only using two 19-inch monitors. All right, my computer is pretty fast. It's a quad-core computer, 8 gigs of RAM. All right, but this whole setup is nothing out of the ordinary. All right, this is not a supercomputer, and this really shows you guys that with all the distractions I have, right, not being in my home office environment, right, not having that warm, comforting feeling of being at home, okay, you would think we'd be having a horrible time. Not the case, guys. We're day traders. We have the freedom to live our lives wherever we want. Right? So take the time, go with your family, go with your friends, spend some of this money you've worked so hard to make, guys, take some trips, and get out of that house, guys. You can do it, right? I'm doing it right in front of you guys here, and I've been doing it all week. So make sure you guys give it a try as well. All right, so we had a great day today, 5 total trades. We got the day started, though, here on crude. We had crude, the euro, and we're watching for a gold trade. We'll talk about all that stuff right now, though. Okay, the first trade on crude. We're coming down. Short-term trend is down. This is at 9 o'clock here, just after 9 o'clock. The crude opens up at 9 o'clock. So we're just after 9 o'clock. We bounce off the low of day. And what do you guys think, right? Low of day, you know it. We're thinking two-step pattern long. We notice our swing high over here at 58s. We break above 58s for our two-step pattern long. Final target 81. We got all of our targets filled. And again, one of the great things about that happened today was we were able to project our targets and then take those targets out. So in this case, we knew exactly where our stops were placed, we knew exactly where our entries were, we knew exactly where our targets were, and we got pretty much every single target filled every time today. Okay, so a good day in the sense of that. This one, of course, was good for a good 20 ticks. Right, good plus 20 here, at least obviously here, depending on how you guys manage this. But you took, of course, this is a 4 range, so you took your plus 4, your plus 8, right? That will lock up 16 ticks. And of course, that 16 ticks, right? That will take you to 68, then to 81. Never mind, this is a 40 tick winner here. I'm sorry. Yep, 40 tick winner here because we filled our final target there at 81. Okay, so depending on how you manage this, guys, though, you got anywhere from 20 to 40 ticks in that first winner, guys. Another good way to get our day started. So that was our first, $200 to $400 winner there. And of course, we're just getting started, right?